Hi everyone, welcome back to Java 1 for All. In this video, the last one, finally about the grouping by, we are going to see two things. First one, how we can group by, for example, categories and get like the statistics. For example, if I have the category fantasy, what are the minimum price, the max price, the sum of all prices, the average price for all the light novels. And then we are going to see a more specific case. For example, I would like to see the category, and I would like to later on see the, for example, how many, not how many, but for example, if we take the promotion enumeration that we have, I would like to see category and the which ones of that category has like promotion and a normal price. So for example, if I have fantasy and I would like to see a list containing the values that are available only for the promotion. So we are going to see how that works when we get there. String test 14, let's copy this and replace here to 15. And we are going to delete the methods inside the main method. Okay, let's start with the first problem. I would like to get the category, and based on the category, I would like to see the statistics. For example, minimum price, maximum price, average price, sum of prices, and so on. We already saw how to do that, so basically we just have to merge all the knowledge that we have together. We just call light novels dot string, and to collect by category, you just have to call grouping by. This is from collectors. I think we can skip that for now. And we tell that we have the get category. Okay, now we have the collectors collecting by category, and we did for max by, we did for minimum, but we know that if we use the summarizing double, long, or int, we can get even more statistics in one go. So I can tell here, for example, hey, I would like to get the summarizing double. And what would you like to use from this string? I would like the get price, light novel get price. Cool. So let's break line here, Alt enter, and there you go. Now if we print the collect, Control Shift F10, you will see that we have, for example, for drama we only have one, but fantasy it looks cooler. For example, for fantasy we have 6 light novels. The sum of all prices is 33.94. Minimum, the lowest price is 1.99. The average is 5.65, and the max price, the highest price, is 10.99. So it's very, very useful. It's something that if you are doing manually, it would require some effort to do it. Okay, so now that we know how to solve this problem, so the second problem is like this. I would like you to have like a map, and this map will have the category as the key, and for the, let's say, for the values, I would like, let's start with a list, and later on we can change this to set with promotion. So for example, if you have a category fantasy and you have to figure out the promotion, under promotion or no promotion, based on the business logic we did in previous videos. So if it's under 6, it's under promotion, otherwise there is no promotion. So for example, for a fantasy, judging by what we have here, maybe we would have like under promotion, and we would have no promotion, for example. So we will see that basically these might have duplicated values, and we are going to see how we can remove these duplicated values. Cool. How can we do that? Let's start with what we know. Light novel.string.collect grouping by category. Okay. Now the problem is, if we go back, we already have the business logic on here. No, on 13. There you go, to get the promotion. So I'm just going to copy this method and I'm going to add it here. Basically, this method is doing the business logic where I send a light novel as argument. And then if the price is lower than 6, I'm going to return under promotion or normal price. Say no promotion, but this is normal price. Okay, but if we call like we were calling before, so if you go back to string test 13, the problem is if we call the grouping by doing this, this is what we will get as result. But we don't want the light novel grouped by promotion. We just want like the values mapped into a list. Now we have something very interesting here, that is the mapping. So we have collectors dot mapping. So we already did the map before. So for example, if we want to retrieve all the titles in a list, we first do stream, and then we do map and light novel dot get title, and then collectors dot to list. So here it's basically the same thing. We want to tell, hey, I would like you to map using this. So we can call it stream test 15 column get promotion. But then after you get all of this, I would like you to send to a list, collectors dot to list. And here we do have a problem, because this grouping by, it doesn't close here. There you go. Okay, if we insert another parenthesis here, we solve the problem and then introduce local variable. As you can see, we have exactly what we are looking for, but we do have a problem. Let's see what is the problem. Select one, Control Shift F10. So we have drama, we only have under promotion, and fantasy we have like normal price, under promotion. As you can see, the values are duplicated. We already know about the collection that will not let you add duplicated values, and basically we just have to change here to set. So let's change here to set, and here instead of collectors to list, to set. Control Shift F10. And now we have exactly what we are looking for. So we have distinct values. But what if you don't want to use the full implementation for the set? Because if you open the set, it's generating a new hash set. What if you want to use linked hash set? So let's copy these two. No, just this one, because it's almost the same thing. So instead of having the collectors dot to set here, we can call collectors to collection. But I have to tell what kind of collection I would like to use. I want linked hash set, and I just have to create a new one. Cool. Just delete these extra parentheses, and then you introduce a new local variable. So here you have linked hash set, but you can change to set if you want. South collect to. Control Shift F10. And we have the same result, but as you know, the linked hash set will keep the order of insertion. That's why we have different values here. Cool. So that's it for the grouping by, but we are not done with streams because we have to talk about parallel streams. So let's continue with more streams in the next video. Bye.